Top news headlines. Chief Minister returns home after days of camping in Delhi to hammer out deals to end leadership crisis. The Assam demands re-evaluation of board exam answer scripts. And Governor P.V. Acharya commands lamjingbatomtv. Hello and good evening. This is HARIPRIYA presenting today's news, and now let's have the news in details. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh has returned to Manipur this afternoon after days of camping in New Delhi in the hope to hammer out a solution to the present leadership crisis facing this government. During his stay in the national capital, he met BJP National General Secretary Bhupendra Yadav, who has been tasked with the job to end the political imbroglio. Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joy Kumar and IPR Minister T.H. Biswajit also met Yadav in New Delhi. Yadav is expected to submit a final report to the central leaders regarding the ground reality of the political crisis, sources inform, adding that an amicable solution is expected come up to end the unrest in the next few days. Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, DESAM, today demanded re-evaluation of all answer papers of BOSEM examination 2019. Addressing a press meet at its office, Secretary General Sital Oinam stated that recent detection of inclusion of first divisioner among the list of position holders has clearly shown that either mistakes had been committed or marks were tampered by the authority like last year. Taking the responsibilities of the malpractice, government should order for re-evaluation of all answer paper of HSLC examination, he demanded. An inquiry committee should probe the matter and place the report in public domain, Sital said. She said trust on BOSEM is slowly fading away due to such irresponsibility and that the board has been seemingly turned into a den of corruption and nepotism. Maintaining date in order to save BOSEM from such bad image, the Education Minister and other top officials need to pay serious attention on the matter. Secretary General Oinam Sital warned that if the authority fails to pay heed to the appeal, DESAM along with the other like-minded organizations will be compelled to launch intense form of agitation.
Kamaina reng chen bada yoram dribano kamaina suklana suksawa soibasi leram libano haiba kushalama thorok libasina takpadi board manungda aikhoi well organized oiraba team amana thawengi atamnana asigumba thodok asi thonganabaidamakta sillabra haibagi singnaba yamna songna desamda lei aduna board asigi leiribasing asi makoktagi horaga maton phawba aikhoi streamline toba dakar oiyena desamna logjei aduna desamna thamliba desamna thamjariba wafam sing asi manipur lengangna masibu namsanduna thamnanaba honaklabadi desamna mahiroi amadi manipur miyam ko loinana akoi lokhatpa yaba thabak lokhatuna board asibu kananabidamukta honagani aduga hawjik leiriba board asida miyamna thamamba thajaba manglibasi board tathoiba thodo wathok sing asina nomagi miyamgi mafamdagi board asibu thajadaba Chang Hantaribasi Cook Nabagitamakta, Amatangairaba, Lambidi, Education Minister, Amadi Education Gi Makok Tungosingna, Asumbagidamakta, Mahirosingidamakta Kalaga, Asumbagidamakta Kalaga, Tabak Torbakakada, Wagani Habasima, the Samna Puning Jabakalona, Atubumatamda, the Sam Haribasingasi, Tabakto and Topiduna, Borchi, Miamna, Tazaba, Miamna, Adugumba, Jumna Panatobuma Pamamo, when a Kalanbu.
Manipur Governor P.B. Acharya today called on an official team of Tom TV at the Ras Bhavan, Imphal. He appreciated Manipur-based Lamjingba Group for the company's work and contributions. Lamjingba Group owns Times of Manipur TV, Tom TV, a satellite channel. PB HARIPRIYA expressed his desire that a TV channel ensure broadcasting of news reports concerning the entire notice. Company Chairman J.K. Mangang, Directors Mutum Rakesh, Mutum Byron and editors of Tom TV Jit Ningomba were present during the meeting with the Governor, which started at 10:30 am and continued till 11 am. Secretary of Manipur People's Democratic Front (MPDF) Sapam Samngo today expressed deep concern over the problem faced by the street vendors in Imphale's Khairamban market. He demanded that the Manipur government arrange proper space for the street vendors around Khairamban market. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club, Samungo further said that many women earn their livelihood in Khairamban market, and with the time, the number of street vendors has also increased in the main market. He pointed out that no one says anything about the vehicles parking daily at the VZ Pauna market, and on the other hand, police are chasing street vendors near the flyover. Describing these as unfortunate, he said that the street vendors should be allowed to carry on with their daily business in the market by allocating proper space.
Article 14 gi equality before the law haibase injangna pi oliba haira yoliba soroki nakanda laiba se isel ima indol makoi dadi sigi benefit piro ida brasin sangvidana haibase jat nemba wangba lairaba ina khunba loinamak sangvidan gi miyeng dadi samana gadam ni sineba aloi tari kaithel aisida laise hoi mai pata paidana adigi magi tax thiba aduna makhalama leiragasu bazar aise hek laga mi mana posei khare yoliba mafam aduma yonba yaba mafam ado bazar oibam thoeba aduna ekhoi gi khoi manipur da ekhoi gi sum khoina khangjabada ekhoi gi maning makha tamba leiba amana oire maning makha tamba leiba oiramdagi 1949 October gi thai 35 da India annex tawre annex tawraba madudagi na ngasi bawgi manungda proper plan amabok tawdeba Manipur.
Well, let's take a short break, but do stay tuned to Times of Manipur for more updates.
Chakhumgi kolik singbu mafam chana taru tanana thamnabagidamak laizare nungzengi stainless steel na chanjaba modular kitchen loina na kitchen trolleys amadi makhal kayagi kitchen rack singsu nungzengi outlet store kaisampat laisom lerak machin mayai lambidagi fangbiragani hena kupamarol gidamak aikogi phone number 9077124214 da contact tawirau.
Welcome back. A meeting to discuss development for Kangabok was held to Kamabok Mayai Lekai today. The meeting suggested for nominating T.H. Jadumani as people representative. The meet, which was attended by a number of people from 16 polling stations, later took a decision to nominate one MLA to maintain polling stations of the village. They jointly agreed to nominate T.H. Jadumani as the candidate for the next election to Manipur Assembly. Women Against Crimes has strongly condemned the recent brutal killing of Khetri Mayum Sumita while terming the incident very unfortunate today. In a press release, the organization said it is worried that women are committing such heinous crimes against their counterparts. It's also urged the police to recover the jewelries worth around ₹6 lakh and some cash snatched away allegedly by the accused after 53-year-old Sumita was being killed. It also lauded the Superintendent of Police Imphal East and Irilbong Police team for their swift action in nailing the accused in a short period of time. The United Club IMC Ward Number 4 organized a tree plantation program today at Punsikun in Reserve Forest area, Langol. The program was also attended by Manipur Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joykumar. As a part of the event, around 400 tree saplings were planted in the area. Taking on the sidelines of the event, Yumnam Joykumar said that the general public play a very vital role in safeguarding the forest. He also mentioned the importance of trees in keeping a check on climate change.
change in ecology, change in environment la pa se masi kan chumthok na ba tawta ge ko u tha bada ka oi un thabne kan si sinap ne ising phangan ba khoran ba kan da su aduga the soil kan se soil preservation su adu su kana ba khopa aduga mayam amat mali aduna ni koi kan to duna report ge koi one of 4 ge mayam to ga la ga se de sing ga tharip se ai kam de am encouragement oi ngai ni.
United Club President Khairakpam Tarun Kumar stressed on the need to take good care of every tree sapling that have been planted today. Towards this end, the club volunteers will come here every Sunday, he said.
Punna usara samri ni masi thar motung da khoi nongwajing khuding sudi khuding ye khoi usara singsi ho yengsin jaba lakchagani aduna mayam punna thodang lomin nasi environment kannaba.
All Manipur Midday Meal Workers Union held its third conference today at the premises of Johnstone Higher Secondary School, Imphal. Today's conference was attended by the General Secretary of Midday Meal Workers Federation of India, J. Bhagawan, as chief guest. It is worth mentioning that midday meal scheme was launched in 1997 to 1998 with a mission to maintain good health of students of every government school in the country. J. Bhagawan said that around 25 lakh employees are engaged in feeding the school students. However, the government still ignores their noble work. He added that Prime Minister Narendra Modi had earlier assured to hike the salaries of Anganwadi workers, helpers and ASA workers. But it is unfortunate that nothing has been done till date. Speaking at the conference, President of All Manipur Midday Meal Workers Union, M. Loitang, warned the concerned authority of agitation if steps are not initiated to increase their current salary of Rs 1,000 at the earliest.
Masi pibiraktab oiragadi matamgi matungina atopa state tadi wages se manadriba manadabanina karigumba hengkatpiyo haibada yaraktab taragadi ai president ama oina akhoi akan bakhongjing sangjingani hauji lupa 1000 nabu kari tawduino aduna khara hengkatpham di thoi haibase ai president ama oina hainingi aduda karigumba akhoi sida khoigi sar radhe samda education minister da memorandum pijagre ko aduna masi kitang di hengkatpiyo haidana request tawbusida yaraktar taragadi kuksingju adum tawbam thokpa adum khara di tawge haina lepsare.
A poetry book titled Yot Na Semba Nupi, Yot Nupi by Swebam Thoi was released today at a function held at Manipur Press Club, Imphal. Patriotic Writer Forum Manipur organized the event. Educationist and cultural activist Dr. S. Manauton Singh, President of Patriotic Writers Forum, Yai School Khairakpam, Principal of IRE Group of Institution, Wangjing Naringbam Rajkumar, and Teaching Faculty Member of Danamanjuri University, Dr. Sarat Chandra Longjamba Weatherman Gaze at the occasion. Let's take another short break, but coming up, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar bats for preservation of culture. More after the break.
Gitam University Visakhapatnamda BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidate singna admission to bibi yaragani. Campus manungda masagi hospital leizaraba medical college ni. Room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak leiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni. MSc Nursing the admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khudingi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani. Tuition fee structure BSc rupees 30,000 per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. First to fourth year same fees. MSc Nursing in NPCC fees rupees 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. Eligibility BSc Class 12 pass, Physics, Chemistry, Biology and English 60% in aggregate. Manipur gi mahiroi singi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tobiba yagani. Subnataki seat taramanga khaktani. Akupa marol gidama contact tobirau Educare Zone near Bosem Babupara. Phone number 600-90-62261 Natraga 87-940-26277.
Welcome back. Manipur Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar asserted that Manipuri culture is one of the high stature. Speaking at the 4th Foundation Day of Guru Ibampisa Cultural Academy celebrated at Sri Sri Radhesham Mandap, Uripok Yambem Laikai today, Y. Joykumar added that people often view culture and religion from the same perspective. But there are differences between the two and they cannot be construed as one. Laiden Lakpak Yaima and Krishnam Kritita were conferred Lifetime Achievement Awards at the event. Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joykumar also appealed to all the concerned to preserve culture for the generation to come.
Culture raiba potsaksi karino haibisi ekoi munna khaminasi adu culture si khaminarga ekoi yamna sengna hai tagedi koi Manipur gi di in a way koi Manipur de leibasi di ekoi culture si di. Let us again, I would like to emphasize that culture, religion, culture is Manipuri culture. Culture.
The Apunban Naharol Yaipa Tausil Kanglup organized a felicitation program for all successful students of examination 2019 conducted by BOSM, COSM and CBSE at Thangmaiban today. Meritorious students of class 10 and 12 of Ward number 3 of Thangmaiban area were fitted at Leone Community Hall. Altogether, 65 students were honored by presenting simple gift to boost their morale. Former Vice President of Yuva Morcha BJP, Kongkam Bikram, urged that the BOSM officials should be meticulous while checking and evaluating the exam papers to ensure error-free results.
I raise my voice to the board. Board and Aziz Hatami Puslis Halabi is very general. Haitagadi, they should resign. Lamapaka or Mizoram, Nagaland, Nigale or Mabwa. Portuguese director, Portuguese even minister of the right of favor. Why they should keep silent on this?
The third meritorious award distribution ceremony organized by DM.Damakong Development Organization was held at Yaripong, Tulihal, Taubokpi today. All students who have passed class 10 and 12 examination 2019 conducted by BOSM and COSM respectively were fitted. Altogether, 50 students were presented with a cash prize of Rs 2,000 each and also certificates. Jila Parishad member of Tulihal Gram Panchayat K. Inaucha Devi, Pradhan Abdul Khalik, branch manager of State Bank of India Muhammad Ataur Rahman, social worker Muhammad Habibur Rahman, social worker Loitongbam Narendra Singh, president of DM. Muhammad Sahabuddin, former president of DM. Muhammad Nasir Ahmad, officer in charge of Andhra Police Station, Inspector K.H. Dilip Kumar, OC of Yaripok, Inspector Muhammad Riyajuddin and Assistant Teacher Muhammad Yaqib Ali were present at the program. Boxer Kunjamayum Anju Devi, who bagged gold medal in the International Boxing Tournament 5th Black Forest Cup 2019 held at Willingen, Squaningen, Germany, was felicitated at Laijingning Community Hall, Thangmaiban today. She represented India in the junior girls boxing category held from June 19 to 23. Boxer Anju said hard work with dedication is the key to success and there is no question of being a male or female to achieve it.
Ima ipa na support au batau dawa habje my family ri makha pole do isana thawa yarogadi automatically my family na dum support orkani like ka iramdam moi background yam ngangnei ko haidi sanaba boxing hana isnupi boxing hana ke kan no kotuna ado aduda mine ai aduda nuai da ba phawgono ba aina pami ba do adum chatpa haidi isana tawningi ba isana pam do kanagi wasu da na ko adum chappa do ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ.
As many as 822 Bru refugee families currently lodged in the relief camps in North Tripura will be repatriated to Kolasip district in Mizoram, according to a district label meeting decided today. The meeting was chaired by the Kolasip DC in the North Mizoram town, resolved that the Bru families would be resettled in 10 villages of the district. Preparation for repatriations of the Bru refugees are in full swing from May 28, a day after the election process for the parliamentary polls was over. District level meetings in the 3 districts where the refugees will be resettled have been held. Union Minister of State, Independent Charge of Youth Affairs and Sports, Kiren Rijiju said that the diet budget will be increased to bring parity between athletes in all Sports Authority of India (SAI) training centers. The sports minister said that since diet is an important part of a sports person and it plays a main role for his development, he had decided to make amends in the diet budget. He further said that the athletes will now get diet as recommended by their coaches and nutritionists. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal said that college teachers will have to play a proactive role in the development of human resource of the state and catalyze the state government bid in transforming Assam into one of the most developed states of the country. Addressing the teachers at the 65th Annual Conference of Assam College Teachers Association at B. Barua College today, Chief Minister Sonowal said that college teachers are at important crossroad of giving shape and dimension to the innumerable students who come to them after finishing the school education. And now let's move on newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Roll call begins at Delhi. Bhupender Yadav talks with Chief Minister Bishwajit, others separately. Engrossed in power struggle, BJP leaves governance in shambles, claims Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee. Heroin factory busted, drugs worth ₹100 crore seized. MGSF MSSA hailed cabinet decision on 7th pay. The People's Chronicle, consultations on to resolve political crisis. BJP government in quest for leadership, says Gai Khangam. Peace progress in Northeast if Naga issue resolved, says Governor PB Acharya. Brown sugar factory busted, drugs worth ₹100 crore seized. Center to bear entire cost of infra development in Northeast. The Imphal Free Press. Narcotic police bust brown sugar lab, seized drugs worth ₹100 crores. Ministers, Chief Minister air grievances to BJP General Secretary Bhupender Yadav. Court rejects bail plea of NSCN-K regional chairman in Paralon ambush case. BJP leaders neglecting their responsibility are undermining the verdict of the people. Manipur Mail. AIF airlifts rescue team from AN-32 crash site in Arunachal Pradesh. Governor Acharya appeals to conserve water. 17 dead after wall collapses in Pune. Indian sailors abducted in Nigeria released.
Before we close, let's see the top news headlines. Chief Minister returns home after days of campaigning in Delhi to hammer out leadership crisis. The Assam demands re-evaluation of board exam answer scripts. And Governor P.B. Acharya commends Lamjingba Group, Tom TV. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.